Check the fabric tag and perform a discrete spot test before bringing any water near upholstery. Start by locating the manufacturer's code on the upholstery tag. A code marked W or S/W means water-based cleaners are acceptable, while S means avoid water and use solvent cleaners only. If there is no tag or the tag is unreadable, choose a hidden area such as the underside of a cushion or the inside seam and apply a small amount of plain water or a mild water-based cleaner with a white cloth, blotting rather than rubbing to observe for color transfer or fabric distortion. Wait until the test spot is fully dry, which may take several hours depending on fiber content and padding, and compare texture and color to the surrounding area for any softening, stiffer patches, rings, or shade change. For delicate weaves like silk or some velvets, and for natural fibers that are loosely woven, avoid saturating and instead use minimal moisture with fast wicking and immediate blotting to remove excess liquid. When using water on stain removal, work from the edge of the stain toward the center to prevent spreading, and always use plain water first because detergents and soaps can leave residues that attract dirt. Keep a clean towel and a wet vacuum or absorbent pads on hand to extract excess moisture and speed drying to reduce risk of mildew or backing separation. 3 common mistakes are assuming a fabric labeled S/W is fine for heavy soaking, using colored cloths that can bleed onto damp fabric, and neglecting to let the test spot fully dry before judging results. Overwatering even water-safe fabrics can cause padding compression, dye migration, or permanent rings, so apply moisture sparingly and extract immediately. Colored towels or sponges can transfer dye when wet, so only use white lint-free cloths and rinse them frequently. If you judge a test spot too soon, you might miss a subtle shrinkage or dye shift, so wait several hours and if possible overnight, and use a magnifying lens or good light to inspect closely. When any of these issues appear, stop and consult the manufacturer or a professional cleaner rather than pushing further. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work, and our site includes a discussion community where users share real experience with cleaning techniques and service recommendations. We use our platform to help you compare approaches, ask questions, and locate professionals who can handle difficult upholstery jobs.